In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a blurry image in Canva with just a few simple adjustments. If you've ever struggled with the frustration of a photo that's just not clear enough, then you've come to the right place. With these easy steps, you'll have a clearer photo in no time, ready for any project you're working on. Starting off, you're going to want to head over to Canva. If you haven't already, open up your internet browser and navigate to Canva's website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the homepage where all your design projects await. Click on the project that contains the image you wish to fix, or you can start a new design and upload your image file. Now that you're in your workspace, let's prepare the file. Make sure your photo is uploaded into your design. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping the image file onto the Canva interface or by clicking the Uploads button on the left sidebar and selecting it from your device. Once uploaded, your image should appear in the Uploads panel. Drag it onto the canvas to begin editing. Next, it's time to address that blurry photo. Start by clicking on your blurry image to select it. This action will bring up a new toolbar above the design space, which leads us seamlessly into the editing mode. Your next move is to click the Edit button that appears on this toolbar. Doing so will open up a panel on the left side of your screen filled with a variety of settings and tools. With the editing panel open, you'll see several options. Look for the option labeled Adjust. Once you click on it, a list of different edit sliders will be revealed. It's here that we can start fine-tuning your image to bring about that much-needed sharpness and clarity. Scroll down this list until you find the Sharpness slider. Carefully drag the slider to the right to increase sharpness, which will help to make the edges in your image crisper. Be cautious not to overdo it, as excessive sharpness can sometimes introduce unwanted noise. Similarly, adjust the Clarity slider. Increasing the clarity will enhance the details in the mid-tones of your photo, providing an extra pop to the elements that might otherwise appear dull. Much like with sharpness, moderation is key to avoid an overly processed look. Finally, have a look at the Brightness and Contrast sliders. Increasing brightness will lighten up your image if it appears too dark. Alternatively, if your picture is too washed out, you might want to dial it down a bit. Adjusting the contrast will add depth, making the colors in your image stand out more distinctly. And there you have it. That's how you fix a blurry image in Canva. With these straightforward adjustments, your images will look clearer and more vibrant, ready to elevate your design projects to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.